What is neurodiversity? Well, this is Neurodiversopedia, and we're going to talk about it. Get excited. Neurodiversity is an umbrella term for differences in the way our brains function as humans. Things like autism, Down syndrome, ADHD are all under the neurodiverse umbrella. Instead of viewing these differences as issues or problems with people, we want to make sure that we provide the resources and information so that everyone can manage what their diagnosis is. Through creating understanding about what neurodiversity is, we can really foster inclusion and build community around these types of conditions. If you think you might have a neurodivergent condition or your child might have a neurodivergent condition, seek out some medical help. Go find a resource like a doctor who's going to be able to diagnose that condition. Or check out more of our blog posts at getgoalie.com.
Did that help you understand the term? If yes, give us a thumbs up or subscribe below. If it didn't, then leave us a comment and tell us why. What are we missing? We always want to do better. This is a project by Goalie. Check us out at getgoalie.com.